All right, Shark get his hot laps in. Shark out there. Shark's good to go. Oh, he's got some thunder in that thing. All right, guys, make your final adjustments. We're going to close on the back straightaway. Back straightaway is now closed. On the pole, we got Jason Levy and Tim Paris. Kenny Cook and Shark, row number 2. Ralph Lepley, Steve Kajorlin, row number 3. And John Kay, starting in the back row.
One more time, man. Where's Shark at?
Shark is outside row number 2. Ralph and Steve, row number 3. And John Kay, row number 4. Thank you, Donovan. All right, looking for some marshals from the last race. We should have 8 of you guys out here. I count 1, 2, 3. We're missing 5 chair marshals from the last race, 6 chair marshals from the last race. Hopper's doing tech for me. He's clear. Clary, thank you, bud. Turn number 1, please.
I looked at some race results and I thought you were going out for the calendar. Yeah, I can't remember that.
All right, guys. Driver's ready. Marshall's ready. You guys are going on the tone. 13.5 truck A main. Oh, that's your warning. I'll roll that thing back there real quick. Thank you, Donovan. You shouldn't have reversed. All right, here we go again. That was your warning. If you do it again, you're going to the back. I'm warning you. He's like, fingers off the trigger. You guys are going on the tone. Good clean start for Levy out front. Oh, Kenny looking the inside of Tim. Couldn't quite do it there. He's got a lot of corner speed in that truck. He's not lacking on straightaway speed either. Whoa, Shark going for a big jump. Downside to burn pretty clean. Uh-oh. You're trying to check out. Oh, wow, Tim Paris going for the downside. We'll give him a little bit of style points there. Jason Levy trying to check out here. Caution at 1 and 2, it is clear. 45 seconds in, 3:15 to go.
Left.
1 down, 3 to go. Levy, Paris, and Lepley's running anywhere now. What happened? I looked away and something happened to Kenny. Oh my. Well, let's find your leader. Oh, John Kay has some trouble on the back straight. Your leader is Jason Levy out front. Tim Paris in second. Tim's less than 2 seconds back of your leader. Your top 3 in points are running top 3 on the racetrack in the same order. Levy, Paris, and Lepley. Levy trying to look for way past Lepley. Let's see if he can do it. Ralph's going to make him earn it. Inside move he goes. Caution off of 4. It is clear. 1:30 left to go on this one. Jason Levy, 3/4 lap lead on your second place. Fast lap of the race belongs to Jason Levy, your leader.
anticipating you being on there.
1 minute left. .310 down, 50 seconds left to go. Let's see if Tim lets him by. I don't think he will. Let's see if Jason can do it clean. Tim's hugging that bottom because you're going to earn this one, big dog. You might be taking the championship today, but you're not going to pass me. Not on the inside. Oh, he's looking for a way around. He's got 25 seconds. Can he get it done in 25 seconds? Harris says not on the inside. Hugging that berm. Oh, inside move. He gets him. Oh, man. Woo-hoo. Smooth operator going the inside off of 4. 1 lap lead on the field right now. Keep on going till I call you done.
Car 5 is done. Car 1 is done. Car 3 is done. Car 4 is done. Car 6 is done. Car
And that's a race. Taking the win, going to be Jason Levy. Tim Parrott second, and Ralph going to be third. Followed by Steve Kajorlin, Sharp, John K, and Kenny.